Hello, I'm going to show you how to make beholder eye holiday ornaments. I made a couple for my friends in my D&D group, and I'm showing you how to make them now. I got decorative glass eyes off of Amazon, and right now I'm attaching the eye to the bottom of the ornament with UV resin and a UV flashlight. As you can see, I'm filling in the rest of the resin, not the entire ornament, but just enough to get a layer. You want to keep the ornament level so that it forms a flat surface. That's going to be important for later. Here I'm continuing to cure the resin to let it set a bit before putting it into a box with UV lights. You need to be careful because the resin will be hot. It's part of the curing process that it heats up. There I'm testing to make sure that the resin is hardened. I was a little impatient and I didn't wait for the bubbles. It works with any of your dye. Just shake it, make sure that it's level, and you get a clear view of your number. So it's a neat little project. I'm finally sharing it now. My friends got their gifts, they enjoyed them, and hopefully you have great success making your own.